Okay, Krista, so now I want to show you how to cook your favorite broccoli carrot. You know what? I want to show you something amazing that you will love it because Thermomix can help you to remove the garlic skin too.
Okay.
Okay, so here I have 2 unpeeled garlic clove here. Okay, just pour in.
Okay.
Close the mixing bowl lid. Right. So I need you to turn slightly faster to 5 until you see number 5. That's right. See?
Oh my god.
I'm just gonna put in 10 grams of oil to saute the garlic. This is also one of the reasons why I love my Thermomix, because I can control my oil intake. We're gonna start saute now. I need you to select to 3 minutes and 120 degree for saute, and the speed, select speed 1. Of course, we can cook with olive oil over the stove, but we just need to monitor the temperature, make sure we cook in the low fire. Crystal, can you smell the aroma?
Yeah.
It's very nice, right? The fragrance. Yeah. So now I want to show you how Thermomix cook this broccoli carrot without blanching in hot water. I just want to add a pinch of salt because I want you to taste the original taste of the broccoli carrot. So now I'm gonna add in, and I need you to help me to select to 4 minutes. And the temperature, we use Varoma this time. You can also see what the Thermomix is doing inside. Okay, Krista, our broccoli carrot is ready. Okay, when it's hot, right? Watch me. This is the correct way to open the lid. Ding, ding, ding. Woo!
Wow, so nice.
Check out the colors. Very green, huh? Yeah. And we didn't add any water. So here's the nutrients and vitamins of the broccoli carrot. Now you know why I call this the magic spatula. Well, effortless and yummy broccoli carrot. Try one.
Come, let's try. I'll get a smaller one.
Careful, hot. How's the taste?
It is very good.
Is it very
It's
sweet?
crunchy.
Very
No.
crunchy? Yeah?
It's, there's a how can I say that? I can say the texture is actually just nice. It's not overcooked, and also I can still taste the crunchiness.
Yeah.
And then the taste also is very good.
Yeah, very original, right? Because without blanching.